All right, so here's our survey. So I made a bar graph based upon the choices of candy people liked. So what I want us to do is say, okay, is this discrete data, continuous data, or categorical data? Again, IB geography is very important because you are going to have to categorize or describe your data based upon what you've collected. So here I've collected data about what kind of candy y'all like and how many of you like which candy. Again, Twix is number one. Like y'all said, Twix don't need a commercial. It's just the best. I agree, even though I don't see commercials about it anymore. Anyways, so here, I've got these three pictures here, three words here. We're gonna match them up, see which one's which. All right, so discrete. Discrete data is something that can be counted. And it has to be represented by an integer. I'll write that word down. Integer. How do I spell integer? Integer. It's the G, not a J anymore. I remember that. So integer. Integer means whole number. Whole number. Whole number. Whole number. There we go. Whole number. So I look at my pictures here. I actually have two pictures here that can be represented by whole numbers. But the one you're going to see the most, especially in our class, is this one. Think about it. If they say, how many kids are in your class? If I say, oh, I've got like 17.8 kids, I'm going to jail. That means the kid got cut in half. Something happened to that kid. Some parent is missing part of their kid. Because so we have to say, we want our people. Well, okay, you're right. It's not half. Oh, she's always getting me on my numbers. Well, part of a kid is missing, which means something happened to the kid. Either Hannibal or I don't know. Like I'm not getting in trouble for it. There's one thing is, if the kid's missing, that's one thing. If a kid's missing, part of their arm, that's my fault. Something happened. I did something, I let something happen. So again, discrete. The number of people in my class are discrete. Yeah, cannibals, that's actually not legal anymore. All right, so here in this picture, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 people. 9 people. 9 people. People. 9 people. Something like that. Yeah, you know what I'm trying to say. 9 people. That's discrete. Integer whole number. Continuous. That would be like when I'm trying to build a house. It's to be measurable. Measurable. Another example is, how tall are you? You can be 163.672 centimeters. It's not a whole number. It's something measurable. So you can use any number to describe it. And then categorical. Let me get back to my mic. Categorical. Here. So categorical, this is your favorite. This one is about, let me get back to my screen. There we go. I'll make it full screen for y'all. Come on. There you go. All right. Categorical. It's characteristics. Characteristic. So I'm not saying I have, 5 of those and 10 of those. It's just characteristics. So here, example of characteristics would be, I'm looking at my data here. It's just a bunch of fruit. So types of fruit. Oh, I can't do this. Fruit. There you go. Types of fruit. That'll be categorical. I'm trying. Don't make fun of me. I'm trying. So here, like categorical data. Okay, you have bananas. You have what are those? Portugal, habhab, batija, whatever. Ainab. Yeah. So I have all of these fruits here. So now, just to make sure you understand the difference between discrete, continuous, and categorical, I have a really, really quick math space for you to do. And when I say quick, I do mean quick. Like I'm not trying to torture y'all. So let me pull that up here for you. That's the right one. Yep. So you're going to see something like this. I'll post it right now. Okay, if you look on Classroom, it says in class stats practice. The first one, that one is going to be the one you see on the screen here. And I'm going to actually do this first one for you because, you know, that's the kind of person I am. I'm a nice person. And so here, this is the type of question you'll get when they ask for categorical, discrete, continuous. They'll give you some examples and say which one is discrete. Remember, discrete, it has to be countable. Can I just go 1, 2, 3, 4? How many students in the class? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then there's a part of a student there that's 0.8. So we'll just get that out of the way because we don't want that. We want all whole numbers. We want whole students. So which one of the following data types is discrete? Whole numbers. Number of classrooms in the school. I like this one the most because the last thing I want to do is walk into Justice High School and they say we have 62.4 classrooms. I know I'll probably end up getting that 0.4 of the classroom, which is, you know, depressing. So we want whole numbers for classrooms. So take a look at the rest of the questions. See if you can get through them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, I'll just do the first one for you. And I think some of them are different, but it's okay. You get the idea. So let's see if we've got the idea now.